Every supplement has a story. Some are whispered in locker rooms, some are shouted on social media, but very few are actually put under the microscope. Today, we're cutting through the noise to look at one of the most talked about compounds in the world, Tongkat Ali. People talk about Tongkat Ali like it's a magic switch for your manhood. They claim it'll skyrocket your testosterone, supercharge your libido, and make your sexual wellness so intense you'll feel like a teenager again. But strip away the flashy labels and you're left with Uricoma longifolia. Historically used as a traditional tonic in the rainforests of Southeast Asia, this plant has moved from the jungle floor into the modern lab. Today, we're digging into the human trials to reveal the main benefits and their effective doses. We'll also clear up common misconceptions and highlight the drawbacks you need to watch out for. No hype, just the evidence. Now that we've set the stage, let's look at the actual clinical data, starting with the most discussed topic, testosterone enhancement. To see if the hype holds up, we're diving into 3 key human trials that specifically measure Tongkat Ali's impact on testosterone levels. For our first study, researchers recruited 76 male patients diagnosed with hypogonadism or clinically low testosterone for a non-controlled trial. Each participant was treated with a daily dose of 200 milligrams of a standardized water-soluble Tongkat Ali extract. After establishing their baseline levels, the team tracked their progress for 1 full month to see exactly how the body responded to the supplementation. After just 1 month, the results were clear. Their mean testosterone levels climbed from a baseline of 5.66 nanomoles per liter to 8.31 nanomoles per liter. That's a significant 46% increase in only 30 days. However, we have to address the limitations. This was a non-controlled trial, meaning it lacked a placebo group to rule out the psychological effects of treatment. The researchers also failed to measure free testosterone, the unbound form responsible for actual physical benefits. Finally, because the subjects started with clinically low levels of testosterone, these results may not translate to men with a healthy baseline. For our second study, researchers utilized a double-blind, placebo-controlled design on 32 healthy young men. The group was split in 2. One half received a high dose of 600 milligrams of Tongkat Ali daily, while the other half received maltodextrin as a placebo. They followed this protocol for 2 weeks to see if it could enhance a normal baseline testosterone. The results showed a significant increase in both total and free testosterone. Specifically, total testosterone saw a 15% boost, while free testosterone, the active form, increased by an impressive 34% compared to the placebo group. Our third study involved 105 hypogonadal men, split into 3 equal groups of 35. Over 12 weeks, the first group took 100 milligrams of Tongkat Ali, the second took 200 milligrams, and the third received a placebo. The results were clear. While the placebo group actually saw a slight decrease, the 100 milligrams group saw an 8.8% rise, and the 200 milligrams group experienced a superior 12.2% increase. This confirms a direct dose response, where higher intake led to significantly better testosterone gains. Let's move to the second part of the video, where we discuss the drawbacks and misconceptions. Here's the reality check. There is currently no clinical evidence that the testosterone increase from Tongkat Ali actually translates into more muscle mass or strength gains. For most people, the boost just isn't significant enough to change your physique. Plus, most existing data focuses on people who already have low testosterone. We still need much more research on young, healthy individuals with normal levels to see if it provides any benefit at all or if it's just a waste of money for them.